place sets. So find a partner, let's have long sets. Down. And we'll start a fourth set here. So some people from the other sets, come and dance here. Come here, come move up to the front, come and join me at the front. Give us some more room. Move up, move up. We'll have more couples in this set here. Join in. Leave the other top. Take hands, 4 people from the top. Little circles, 2 couples, 4 people. Join your hands in a circle. 4 people, 2 couples. Join hands in a circle. Just let this trickle down. Is there any couples left out at the bottom? One over there, join up. One couple over there, is it? No. Circle 4, it's all we need. Join in the bottom. Okay. In your circle, if you are the couple nearest the band, nearest me, couple number 1. Furthest away, couple number 2. So let me see all of the number 1s. Put your hands up. All of the number 2s. Yeah. So, your numbers. You keep your number only for a bit. So, number 2s, each time move up 1 place towards me. When you arrive at the top or at the bottom, you need to wait. 1 turn through the dance, wait. Do nothing, wait, and then join in as the other number going the other way. So number 1s, work your way down to the bottom. You get to the bottom, you wait, you become a number 2, work your way up to the top, wait, become a number 1. Okay, the dance goes like this. Number 1 man, number 2 lady. Number 1 man, number 2 lady. Right arm turn, 8 hop steps. You go. A 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Stop. Go back to place. And these second corners, which is the number 1 lady, number 2 man, right arm turn, 8 hop steps, go. A 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, a 5 and 6 and a 7 and an 8. Stop. All of the number 1s, hold 2 hands with your partner. Number 1s only. Only number 1s, not number 2s. Number 2s, stand back slightly. And the number 1s are going to dance down the middle, 2 chassé steps. They go. A 1 and 2, and 2 back again. A 1 and 2. When you get back to place, you let go of your partner, cast out, let go, turn out 1 place, go down beneath the number 2s, so that you change places, and everybody swing your partner. Everybody swing your partner. Everybody swing your partner. Swing to your partner. And then the dance starts again. You have a new couple to dance with. So number 1s look down, number 2s look up. You see a new couple. At the top, there is spare couples, wait. And at the bottom, spare couples, wait. So let's do one more walkthrough. Number 1 man, number 2 lady, right arm turn, go. A 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5. No. Everybody, stop. No. Stop. For 1s, 2 hands, ready to go down the middle. Number 1s, go. A 1 and a two, a back and a two, pass down to one place. Swing your partner. Swing your partner. And we start again. Number one man. Number two lady. Let me see you do it. Number one man, number two lady. Right arm turn, go. A one and a two, a three and a four, a five and a six and a seven. Second corners, go. One and a two, a three and a four, a five and a six and a seven and eight. All the number ones go down the middle, go. A one and a two, back and a two, pass down to one place. Everybody swing. Okay. Let's have good. Everybody go back to where you started. We're going to do all the music. Go back to where you started. So we know it's going to work. Great chorus. Here we go.